Show me your ballets. Oh, good job. That's...
How about moves?
Okay, do the moves.
No, not those.
You're just doing the ballet moves?
Yeah. I have a good one.
Okay.
I got out for Grandma.
Okay, I'll go over here. Okay, you go. Whoa! Whoops. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Whoops. Whoops. We had a crash with the ballet dancers. Okay. Whoa! That was a good one, Maddox. Okay, here we go. Merrick, it's your turn. Whoa! I lost you.
She didn't want to do it.
Whoa! Those are some pretty fancy moves. Treasures. Mookie. Whoa, Mookie. You better look out. That's pretty cool, Maddox. I'm filming you. That's too close. It can't see you. Okay, wait.